Good morning, students. Welcome to mathematics class. Now I will discuss exercise 3.4, 17th question. Find the inverse using elementary transformations. Find the inverse using elementary transformations. Okay. Given question, capital A equal to 2, 0, minus 1, 5, 1, 0, 0, 1, 3. Okay, given question 2 0 minus 1 5 1 0 0 1 3. This is formula capital A equal to I into A. Capital A equal to I into A. This is given question. A capital A 2 0 minus 1 5 1 0 0 1 3. This is identity matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Identity matrix into A. This is 3 by 3. Identity matrix. Okay, this is first row, this is second row, this is third row. Okay, here capital A left side convert to identity matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Okay, same like that. Okay, here second row I will change 5 convert to 0, 5 convert to 0, 5 convert to 0. Okay, this is R1, this is R2. Same cross multiply. R2 change, R2 start, R2. 2 into R2, 2 R2. Here plus is there, minus will come. 5 into R1, 5 R1. Okay, 2 R2 minus 5 R1. 2 R2 minus 5 into R1, 5 R1. Same condition, both matrices apply. Okay, first one as is, first one as is, first one as is. 2 0 minus 1 2 0 minus 1. Now second row change, second row R2 change to 2 R2 minus 5 R1, 2 R2 minus 5 R1, R2 value 5, R1 value 2, R2 value, this is R2 value 5, R1 value 2, R2 value 1, R1 value 0, R2 value 0, R1 value minus 1. Okay, R2 value 5, R1 value 2. Okay, 2 5 are 10, 5 2 are 10, 10 minus 10, 0, 10 minus 10, 0, 10 minus 10, 0. Here R1 value 0, R2 value 1, R2 value 1, R2 value 1, R1 value 0. Okay, 2 as is, 2 1 are 2, 5 into 0, 0, 2 minus 0, 2 only. 2 minus 0, 2 only. 2 minus 0, 2. Next, this is R2 value 0, R1 value minus 1. R2 value 0, R1 value minus 1. R2 value 0, 2 R2 minus 5 R1. 2 R2 value 0, R1 value minus 1. 2 into 0, 0. Minus into minus plus. 5 1 is 5. 0 plus 5, 5 only. 0 plus 5, 5. 0 plus 5, 5. Next, third row as it is 0, 1, 3. 0, 1, 3. Third row as it is, that equal to. Here also same condition. Apply same condition. 2 R2 minus 5 R1. First row as it is 1, 0, 0. First row as it is. Second row. Here R2 0, R1 1. R2 value 0, R1 value 1, R2 value 0, R1 value 1, R2 value 0, R1 value 1. Here R2 0, R1 1. Okay, 0 into 2, 0, minus 5 1 is minus 5, minus 5, 0 minus 5, minus 5, 0 minus 5, minus 5. Next, here R2 value 1, R1 value 0, R2 value 1, R2 value 1. 1 into 2, 2. R1 value 0. 0 into 5, 0. 2 minus 0, 2 only. 2 minus 0, 2 only. Next, R2 value 0, R1 value 0. R1 value 0. 0 into 5, 0. Okay. R2 value 0. 0 into 2, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. Next, third row as is 0, 0, 1. Third row as is into A. Okay, here see 1 0 0. Got it. Next 0 1 0. Okay, here 1 convert to 0, 1 convert to 0. This is R3, this is R3, this is R2, this is R2. Same, cross multiply, R3 change to R3. First R3 cross multiply, 2 into R3, 2R3 minus 2R3 cross multiply, 2R3 minus R2, 2R3 minus R2, 2 into R3, 2R2, 1 into R2. Here plus minus, middle minus. Okay, here plus is there, minus will come. Okay, already previous class I said plus minus. Okay, here cross multiply, R3 start, R3 will come, 2 into R3, 2R3 minus 1 into R2. Same condition here apply, here also apply. First row, second row as it is. First row, second row. First row 2 0 minus 1. First row as it is. Second row 0 2 5. Here third row change. Observe here R3 value 0, R2 value 0. R3 value 0, R2 value 0. R3 value 0, 0 into 2, 0. Minus R2 value also 0. 0 minus 0, 0 only. 0 minus 0, 0 only. Next 1 here R3 value 1. R3 value 1. 1 into 2. Minus R2 value 2. R3 above value R2. Okay. 2 minus 2. 0. 2 minus 2. Here 2R3 minus R2. This is R3 change to R3. 2 into R3 value. Here R3 value 1. R2 value 1. R2 value 2. That equal to 2 minus 2. That equal to 0. Next R3 value 3. Same condition. R3 change to 2R3 minus R2. 2 into R3. R3 value 3. R2 value 5. R3 value 3. R2 value 5. 2 3 is 6 minus 5. That equal to 1. 6 minus 5, 1. 6 minus 5, 1. Okay. R3 change. Next, same condition, right side also apply. Same condition, right side also apply. Okay, first as is 1 0 0 1 0 0. Next second row minus 5 2 0 minus 5 2 0 minus 5 2 0. Here change. Okay, R3 value 0. R3 value 0 into 2 0 minus R2 value minus 5 minus into minus plus 5 minus into minus plus 5. See, this is R3 value, this is R2 value. R3 value 0, substitute error. 0 into 2 0 minus R2 value minus 5 minus into minus plus 5. Next second element. This is R3 value 0 into 2 0 minus R2 value 2 into minus 2. Next here R3 value 1 into 2 minus R2 value 0, 2 minus 0 2 only, 2 minus 0 2 only into A continue. Okay, here only R3 change. Next here 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. This is converted to 0. This is also converted to 0 0 0 1. Okay, R1 change to R1 plus R3. R1 plus R3. This is R1. This is R2. This is R3. Okay, R1 plus R3 minus 1 plus 1 0 will come R1. Next R2 change to R2 change to R2 change to R2 minus 5R3 minus 5R3 cross multiply R1 change okay R1 into 1 R1 okay R1 into minus 1 minus here minus plus is there minus plus only minus plus means middle plus next 5 R2 change okay 1 into R2 change 1 into R2 5 into R3 5R2 here plus means middle minus right okay next here first row change first row R1 plus R3 R1 value 2 R3 value 0 2 plus 0 2 plus 0 2 1 next this is R1 this is R3 0 plus 0 next minus 1 plus 1 0 okay R1 change next R2 change here see R2 minus 5 R3 okay R2 value 0 minus 5 into R3 value 0 into 5 0 minus 0 minus 0 next here R2 value 2 write down R2 minus 5 R3 R2 value 2 minus 5 into R3 value down 0 2 minus 0 that equal to 2 minus 0 2 1 next R2 value 5 minus 5 into R3 value 1 5 minus 5 0 next R3 as is 0 0 1 that equal to here also same condition apply here also same condition okay R1 change to R1 plus R3 1 plus 5 R1 plus R3 1 plus 5 6 next 0 minus 2 0 minus 2 0 plus 2 0 plus 2 plus 2 R1 plus R3 okay next R2 change R2 minus 5 R3 R2 minus 5 R3 R2 value minus 5 into R3 value 5 okay here observe here R2 value minus 5 R3 value 5 R2 value minus 5 as is into R3 value 5 minus 5 5 is 25 minus 25 minus 5 minus 30 next R2 value minus 5 R3 value 2 R3 value minus 2 R2 value 2 minus 5 into R3 value this is R2 this is R3 value minus 2 minus into minus plus 5 into 10 that equal to 12 next R2 value 0 next R3 value 2 minus 5 into 2 minus 10 R3 as is 5 minus 2 plus 2 into A. Here observe here first here 2 is there but 1 I want 1 here also 2 is there but I want 1 okay R1 divided by 2 R2 divided by 2 that equal to here 1 is there only division that equal to 1 2 by 2 R1 value to 2 by 2 1 0 by 2 0 by 2 0 next second row 0 by 2 0 2 by 2 1, 0 by 2 0. Next third as is 0 0 1, 0 0 1, that equal to here r1 divided by 2 6 by 2 3. Next minus 2 by 2 minus 1, 2 by 2 1. Next r2 divided by 2 also minus 13 by 2 minus 15, 12 by 2 6 minus 10 by 2 minus 5. Okay, 5 minus 2 plus 2 into a. Okay, here this is a inverse equal to I. A inverse equal to I. So therefore a inverse 3 minus 1 1 minus 15 6 minus 5 5 minus 2 plus 2. This is inverse. So this is a inverse equal to I. Identity matrix. A inverse equal to I. So therefore A inverse. This is A inverse. This is A inverse. See, observe here. Listen. Given question 2 0 minus 1 5 1 0 0 1 3. 2 0 minus 1 5 1 0 0 1 3. A equal to IA. This is A matrix equal to I matrix. Identity 3 by 3 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 into A. This is R1. This is R2. First left side given matrix convert to identity matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Okay, here 2 is there, but 5 converted to 0. Here 0 is there, no need. Okay, 5 converted to 0. This is R1, this is R2. Cross multiply. Okay, R2 change. R2 will come. 2 into R2, 2 R2 minus 5 into R1, 5 R. Here plus is there, middle minus will come. Okay, here see 2 into R2. R2 value 5. 2 5 is 10. 10 minus 5 into 2, 10 minus 10, 0. First as is 2 0 minus 1, 2 0 minus 1. This is 0. Next R2 value 1, R1 value 0, R2 value 1, 1 into 2, 2 only. Here R1 value 0, 0 into 5, 0. Next here R2 value 0, 0 into 2, 0. R1 value minus 1, minus 1 into minus 5, plus 5. Okay, 0 1 3 cover as it is, 0 1 3. Same condition here also apply. 1 0 0 as it is, 1 0 0. Here R2 value 0, 0 into 2, 0. R1 value 1, 1 into minus 5, minus 5. Next R2 value 1, R1 value 0. R2 value 1, 1 into 2, 2. Minus 5 into R1 value 0. R1 value 0. 2 minus 0, 2 only. Next R2 value 0, R1 value 0. R1 value 0, R2 value 0. 0 into 2, 0. 0 into 5, 0. 0 minus 0, 0 only. 0 0 1. Okay. Now here 1 0 0 over 0 1 0. Here 1 converted to 0. 1 converted to 0. This is R2. This is R3. Okay. Cross multiply. Here plus is there. Middle minus will come. R3 change. R3. Start R3. Cross multiply. 2 into R3. 2 into R3. 2 R3 minus 1 into R2. R2. This condition both matrix apply. Both matrix. Okay. First row as it is. Second row also as it is. First row 2 0 minus 1 0 2 5. Second row also as it is. 0. Here see R3 value 0. R2 value also 0. 0 minus 0 0 only. Next 2 into R3. R3 value 1. 2 1 ja 2. Minus 2. R2 value 2. 2 minus 2 0. Next here R3 value 3. 2 3 is 6. 6 minus 5 1. Okay. Next same condition here also right side also apply. 1 0 0 same. Minus 5 0 also same. Here see R3 value 0 0. Okay, R2 value minus 5. Minus 5 into minus into minus plus 5. Next 0. R3 value 0. 0 into 2 0. Minus into 2 minus 2. Minus 2. Next R3 value 1. R2 value 0. R3 value 1. 1 into 2 2 minus 0 2 only into A. Okay, here 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. This is converted to 0. This is also converted to 0. 1 as this. Okay, this is R1, R2, R3. See, okay, both converted to 0. This is remaining. Minus 1 plus 1 0. No. This is R1, this is R3. R1 change to R1 plus R3. R1 plus R3. R2 change to R2 cross multiply. R2 change to R2 change to 1 into R2 5 into R3 5 R3. Here plus is there, minus, here minus plus is there, plus. Okay, same condition. R1 change 2 plus 0 2 1. 0 plus 0 0. Minus 1 plus 1 0. Addition R1 plus R3. This is R1, this is R1. This is R1, this is R1. This is R1, this is R3. Okay, same. Second row also change. R2 minus 5 R3. R2 minus 5 R3. This is R2. This is R2. This is R3. 0 minus 0. 0 1. Next R2 value 2. R2 value 2. R2 value 2. Next R2 value 2. R3 value 0. R3 value 0. Okay, same as this. Next R2 value 5. R2 value 5. R2 value 5. Next R3 value 1. R2 minus 5 R3. R2 value 5 minus 5 into R3 value 1. 5 minus 5 0. Okay, third row 0 0 1 0 0 1 as this. Okay, here first row change, second row change. First row change, second row change. First row here R1 plus R3. 1 plus 5 6. 0 minus 2 minus 2. 0 plus 2 plus 2. R1 change. Next R2 change. R2. Okay, R2 minus 5 as this. Minus 5 into R3 value 5. Minus 5 into 5. Minus 25 minus 5. Minus 30. Next second element. R2 value 2. Minus 2. Okay. 2 minus 5 into minus 2. Minus into minus plus 2 plus 5 2 is 10. 10 plus 2 12. Next here R2 value 0. R3 value 2. R2 value 0 minus 5 into R3. R3 value 2. 5 2 is 10 minus 10. 5 minus 2 plus 2. 5 minus 2 plus 2. Here first row division 2. Second row division 2. Third row no need, already 1 is there. R1 divided by 2. R2 divided by 2. Okay, 2 by 2 1. 0 by 2. 0 by 2. 0 0. Next 0 by 2 0. 2 by 2 1. 0 by 2 0. 0 0 1 as is. That is equal to 6 by 2 3. Minus 2 by 2 1. Minus 2 by 2 1. Minus 30 by 2. Minus 15. 12 by 2 6. Minus 10 by 2. Minus 5. 5 minus 2 2. Okay. This is A inverse equal to I. This is A inverse. So therefore A inverse 3 minus 1 1. 15 minus 15 6 minus 5. 5 minus 2 plus 2. Okay, thank you.